Pozole is one of my favorite things to make this time of year. Today, let me share with you a simple and delicious Pozole Rojo de Puerco. For this recipe, I'm going to be using a total of 7 pounds of pork meat. It's a mixture of pork shoulder, pork feet, and pork ribs. I set my pot with 8 quarts of water on medium heat. I'm going to add 2 garlic heads, 1 whole onion, 5 bay leaves, and salt. And we wait for it to start boiling. Water is now boiling and I'm going to add the meat. Cover it up and let it cook for an hour and a half on medium heat. Every so often, make sure to open it up and remove any impurities that form on top. While we wait for the meat, I'm gonna start making the salsa. And for that, I'm gonna be using 4 chiles ancho that I've already cleaned and washed, and 25 chiles guajillo. We add them to a pot and we add some water until they're completely covered. We let them cook for 20 minutes or until they're completely soft. It's been 20 minutes, they are ready. I'm gonna turn off the stove and add them to the blender. I'm also gonna add about 1 cup of the water from where we boiled the chiles, along with half of a white onion, 8 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. We blend. The meat has been cooking for an hour and a half. I'm gonna remove the onion and 2 garlic heads. Now it's time to add the hominy, or Maíz Blanco. I'm using 110 ounces of pre-cooked hominy. We give it a good mix. Once mixed, we add the salsa. We're going to strain it as we add it. If it's too thick, just keep adding broth. After all the sauce is in, we mix it and then add in 1 piece of ginger and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Now is the best time to check for salt. Mine is perfect. Cover it up and cook for another hour. It's been an hour and our Pozole Rojo is now ready. It looks and smells delicious. Make sure to check the tenderness of the meat, and as you can see, it's incredibly tender. I'm gonna serve myself. It's time to prepare my pozole. I like to add some cabbage, white onion, cilantro, rábanos or radish, and you know, I have to add lemon. Okay guys, moment of truth. This is so delicious. My mouth is watering. Cheers. Oh my God. Guys, if you could only taste this. The meat, super tender, super soft, and it's just the right amount of spice. Perfect. And there you have it, delicious Pozole Rojo de Puerco.